Our company works hard to provide top quality service to our clients, so it's always exciting when we receive a positive review. We're pleased to share this 5-star rating with you. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. All of our customers were new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they are new or returning. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.